Hello everyone. Once again, I'm Rashid Adilawo Kennedy. I'm an edinar investor. In my first video, I talked about the intro to edinar. I talked about how you can identify some things in the edinar page. Then I talked about how you can migrate from the edinar IO to the blockchain, which is the edinar wallet. Now I want to talk about how you can move your edinar from your IO section to the blockchain, that is to the Dinar wallet. Then I'll be talking about how you can, how you can move funds, that is EDC. If you want to set EDC to another participant, how you can do that as well from your blockchain. So now let the training begin. Now from your, if you want to go to your Dinar IO page, just need to type www.edinar.io.com. Then you click on it takes you to this page where you put on your email and your password. Once you put in your email and password, it takes you to that page. While that one is opening, you go to your blockchain. How do you go to your blockchain again? Just type wallet.edinar.com. Once you type wallet.edinar.com, it takes you to a page where you put your username, your account name, your username, password. That is for new members. That's everything is contained in my first video. But because you are not just coming in newly, you are an already existing participant, you just click already registered. I've explained all this in my first video. All you just need to do is to put your password here, which is, let me put my password again. I'm trying to log into it again, computer. So now the password did not match. It does not match, so that is to tell you that is incorrect. So now putting in new password, you can see it has changed. That means the password. But then remember, I taught us how we get our brain key. Do we remember? Yes. So just go to where you save your brain key and put it there. Remember, I saved mine in my email. So let me put my brain key now. So on my email, is in the draft. So I'm going to click on the brain key now. This is the brain key. So I'll copy it. In my first video, I taught us how we can get our brain key. If you have not watched the first video, go and watch the first video. It is there. So once you paste your brain key there, you click on login. So outrightly that will take us to our blockchain. Going back to this now, to the user account, and that is the page. Now, like I told you, I want to teach us how we can move our fund from Edinar IO to EDC. For some that have not been converted, like I said, you see 0.00 something, but this has been converted. Now moving it down, you will go to this point, then you click on my account. When you click on my account, please note your blockchain must be open. Please note that. So you go to this point, then you click on, there is a withdraw sign here, there is a refill sign here. Please make sure that you go to EDC. It is very important, your EDC account, because like in my first video I told you all these accounts, what they are meant for. Now click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, now we are trying to move our fund from Edinar IO to wallet, to our blockchain. We are trying to move it down here. Now, so once you click on that, you type the amount. This is 39.4004. Now I'll move. Let me just move 20, for instance, 20 EDC. Now moving 20 EDC from Ashiwaju to wallet, my wallet account. So I put in that now. So because you have to put something there, anything, for you to know what how you've done it. So you click on next. So when you click on next, it brings out a page for you to confirm. You can see transaction EDC, confirming operation EDC. Now put your password that you have. Then I'm putting my password again. Then you click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, definitely now it says successfully sent EDC. How will you know if you have successfully sent it? Before it was 39, but now it is 19.4. So some of us are too conversant with what we had there. Before it was, you can see from the blockchain now, everything is there. You see this sent 20 EDC to EDC 172,860. That is me moving 20 EDC from Ashwaju to wallet. That's the transaction that I just made. Earlier today, I sent 10 EDC to the same account. That's just to let you know that before this was actually 10.063 EDC, but now it is 30.06 EDC because I just sent 20 EDC. Now let me do one more for you to actually get hold of it very well. Now we have 39.4 here. I want to move some again, so I'll just click on withdraw. Once I click on withdraw, now let me move like 12 for instance. Now let me just type yes to make it faster. Now I'll click on next, then it's asking to put my password, then I'll put my password again. Click on confirm. Remember what was the initial EDC I have at 30.062. When I had 12 to it, it's going to give me 42.062. Now let's see. Now let me click on confirm. Once I click on confirm, then what happens next? It successfully sent EDC. Now let's see what happens in my EDC wallet. 42.062. Wow, this is beautiful. Can you see? It is very simple to transfer it. But right now you don't need to have anything left here. You don't need to have anything left. Just transfer everything. You don't need to have anything left because everything is being done in your wallet and not this. Everything has to be done in your wallet and not this. So you have just 7.40040 left. Now let me transfer the whole thing. Let me move them to the wallet. Now 7.400400. Now let me just type yes, it's done. So Ashwaju, yeah. Now I'm transferring that. All I have to do is to do what? Click on next. Once I click on next, what happens? Now I just put in my password again. So once I put in my password, it sends it down to. Please note that if you are trying to send it, might not send once. There are times that you have traffic. It might not go once. So you need to try like 2-3 times and to go. Now successfully sent. What do I have here? No, nothing. So now I go back to my Dinar wallet. So I have 49.462 EDC. Wow! So all my accounts from my EDC here has been moved completely from EDC to what? To edinar wallet. That's what I've got here. So that's beautiful. Now looking to studying what we have here in the blockchain, it's pretty simple. So you can see my transaction being shown here. Now let me quickly explain a little bit about blockchain for us so we can understand very well. Now for you to actually see some one or two things about it, this is your balance. This is where if you want to transfer funds to someone else, just click on this is blockchain for you to see what is happening all around in the blockchain. This is where you can see these are the transactions that this is me. This actually sent EDC to this, and this also particular yes is done to Ashwaju. So for seconds you can see these are the transactions that happens within the blockchain. These are transactions that happen within the blockchain. So that is what blockchain is all about. Then for every transaction, that is why blockchain is very important. For every transaction that happens in blockchain, you have 11 active witnesses and 11 active members, which is very, very important. So there are witnesses here, so your funds cannot be lost. This is where you buy and sell. Then this is membership, where you actually look at the people in your team. Now let's start from this. From send. If you want to send funds to someone, now you just click on send. This is your own. This is mine now, my EDC number. Then you type the EDC number or the account number of the person you want to send this one to. If you have anybody, let's say EDC one, just want to the number that you want to send it to. For instance, the number you want to send your EDC to, 122865, for instance. Alright, number you want to, let's say you want to transfer to this, for instance. So all you just need to do is type the person's number here. Once the person's number is valid there, just type the person's number. After typing the person's number, type the amount you want to send. Let's say, for instance, you want to send 200 EDC to the person. But remember, for any transfer that happens in the blockchain, there is a deduction of 0.001 EDC. Please note that. So after you are done with that, click on send. Boom. Once you click on send, it is sent immediately. What did I say? It is sent immediately. So that's the advantage. That's the advantage of moving your funds in edinar wallet. So now going back to, let's say, for instance, let me say I want to transfer to this account now, EDC 505505881. Now let me say I want to transfer to this account. For instance, I want to transfer, let's say, 10 EDC to this account. All that I have to do is just type this, then click on this, from Ashiwaju to Nara. Now click on send. Once I click on send, what happens? Say please confirm the transaction, just like it happened in that first account. So once my transaction is okay, all I just need to do is to click on repeat password. Once I repeat the password, transaction has been broadcasted, transaction confirmed. Now let's go to blockchain to see what I've done, if it will actually occur. So definitely this is blockchain where you see things that are happening. Can you see EDC send to EDC this, from Ashiwaju to Lara? Wow, beautiful. I just sent my EDC to her. Now I am left with 39.461 EDC. That is simple. Okay, now let's quickly go to membership. How can you know the people in your team? So this is my sponsor. This is how you get your sponsor. Then these are the people that are in your team, active people that are in your team. So this is where you have the breakdown of people that are in your team. If you want to do something more concrete in the team, you need to click on this. This is very important. You understand? Your wallet is locked now. You click on it to unlock your wallet. Once you click on it, you put your password again to unlock your wallet. When you click on password, now you've unlocked your wallet. You can see that the logo has changed to unlock at this moment now. So this is, if you want to do some inner transactions, that's what you use it for. So you can actually know all your downlines here. You can know them one after the other. So that is the beautiful thing about this. There you can see rewards. These are the things that actually come forth for everything that you've done. So we are in an overview section. So that is all. That's an extent. That's what you need to learn about EDC. Now, if you want to register a new member, all you just need to do is now click on membership. Now click on this. Click on this line now. Once you click on it, copy it and paste it. You understand? Now, if you want to paste it, you are not using the same browser. Please note that you have to log out in order to register new members. But if you are using Chrome, you don't need to log out. Just go to incognito. Yeah, just go to new incognito window and paste it there. Once you paste it, click on enter. Once you click on enter, just type it will bring you to the page of the person you want to register. Takes you straight to that page. Once it takes you straight to that page, please note your ID will be shown there. You can see this is my ID because I copied it there. Once you just copy it, put the account name here, put the password. After you put the password, then click on create account. Once you do that, you are on.